students. Today I am going to teach you subject general science. In general science we will study chapter 17 man-made materials. In this part we will study about thermocol as well as glass. Here first thermocol. A new easily breakable atom brought at your home is usually packed in a box so as to prevent that atom from breaking while handling the box. It is always packed in one more warping. Usually that warping is of thermocol. Nowadays the plates used in a mass feast are also made up of thermocol. Thermocol is a form of a complex material called polystyrene. It transforms into liquid state on heating at more than 100 degrees Celsius temperature and return to solid state on cooling. Due to this, we can give any desired shape to it. Being a good shock absorber, it is used in packing of delicate atoms. Adverse effect of excessive use of thermocol on environment and human. First, being carcinogenic ingredients in styrene, the person in contact with thermocol for long duration may have the possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. 2. Non-biodegradable. It takes long duration for natural degradation of thermocol. Hence many people option for destroying it by burning. However, it is a still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in atmosphere. Third, in mass gathering, plates and cups are used to offer the food, water, tea are made up of thermocol. It affects the health. If the food kept in thermocol and is reheated, styrene may dissolve in that food. Due to this, there is possibility of health problem. Fourth, effect on person working in thermocol factory. Person staying in contact with thermocol for long term may develop the problems of eyes, respiratory system, skin, digestive system, etc. Pregnant women may face the miscarriage. Liquid styrene may cause skin burn. Glass. We use the glass material on larger scale in our daily life. Glass was discovered by chance. Some Phoenician traders were cooking in desert. The cooking vessels were supported on limestones. When the cooking vessels are kept off the limestone, they observed that a transparent material has been formed. They thought that this transparent material may have been formed due to heating together of sand and limestone. This leads to the development of technique of glass production. Glass is the non-crystalline, hard but brittle solid material formed from mixture of silica and silicate. Silica, that is SiO2, to which we refer to as a sand, depending upon the proportion of silica and other components in the glass. There are different types of glass as soda lime glass, borosilicate glass, silica glass, alkali silicate glass, etc. Production of glass. For glass production, mixture of sand, soda, lime and small quantity of magnesium oxide is heated in a furnace. Sand, that is silicon dioxide, melts at 1700 degrees Celsius. So as to melt the mixture at low temperature, pieces of discarded glass are added to it. Due to this, mixture melts at 850 degrees Celsius. Once all the ingredients of mixture are liquefied, it is heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius and immediately cooled. Due to sudden cooling, mixture became homogeneous, amorphous and transparent instead of crystalline. This is called soda lime glass. See this picture of how to glass is manufactured in factories. a raw material furnace, molten glass, roller, cutter, and glass strip. Properties of glass. First, on heating, glass becomes soft and can be molded into any shape. 2. Density of glass depends upon its ingredients. 3. Glass is a slow conductor of heat. On quick heating of glass, cool glass or on quick cooling of hot glass, it cracks or breaks. For being bad control of electricity, glass is used as an insulator in electric appliances. 4. Fifth, being transparent, most of light passes through the glass. However, if there are oxides of either chromium, magnesium or iron in the glass, large amount of light is absorbed in the glass. Types of glass and uses. First, silica glass. This is produced by using the silica. Atoms made up of silica glass show minimum expansion of heating. It is not affected by acid and alkali. Due to this, silica glass is used to produce laboratory glass pairs. 2. Borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass is produced by melting the mixture of sand, soda, boric acid and aluminum oxide. This glass does not show any effects on medicines. Hence, the bottles made up of borosilicate glass are used in pharmaceutical industry to store the medicines. Third, alkali silicate glass. Alkali silicate glass is produced by heating this mixture of sand and soda. As this glass is soluble in water, it is called as a water glass. Fourth, lead glass. Lead glass is produced by melting of mixture of sand, soda, limestone and lead oxide. Being very clear, transparent, it is used in manufacturing of light bulbs, tubes, etc. Fifth, optical glass. Optical glass is produced from the mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. This type of pure glass is useful in the production of spectacles, lenses, microscopic lenses, etc. Sixth, colored glass. Soda lime glass is colorless, so as to impart and desired color, oxide of specific metal is mixed during the manufacturing process. Example, ferrous oxide is mixed to get bluish green glass and copper oxide is to get red glass. Seventh, processed glass. So as to improve the quality and utility, some processing is performed on glass. Various type of like refurnished glass, plain glass, fiber glass, pane glass, transparent glass, etc. are produced. Thanks for watching this video.